Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's perfect for beginners who are eager to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading. We'll be sharing 5 essential cryptocurrency trading strategies that will help you navigate the market with confidence. So, grab a pen and paper, because we have plenty of valuable information to cover. Let's get started. First strategy that every beginner should follow is conducting thorough research and due diligence. Cryptocurrency markets are dynamic and complex, so it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of any cryptocurrency before investing. Dive deep into its underlying technology, analyze the project's white paper, explore the team's background and expertise, and keep up with the latest news and updates. By staying informed and researching reliable sources, you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. Next up is setting clear goals and implementing effective risk management strategies. Determine your investment objectives, whether it's long-term growth or short-term gains. Consider your risk tolerance level and establish a clear plan for allocating your funds. Set realistic expectations and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market hype. Additionally, implement risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Remember, a well-defined plan will help you stay focused and disciplined in your trading journey. Diversification is a crucial strategy in cryptocurrency trading. Spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate risks and maximize potential gains. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most well-known cryptocurrencies, it's important to explore other promising altcoins. Keep a balanced mix of established coins and emerging projects to increase your chances of success. However, remember to conduct thorough research on each coin before adding it to your portfolio. Technical analysis plays a significant role in cryptocurrency trading. Understanding chart patterns, indicators, and trends can provide valuable insights into potential entry and exit points. Learn how to read candlestick charts, identify support and resistance levels, and use popular indicators like moving averages, MACD, and relative strength index, RSI, to enhance your trading decisions. Additionally, keep an eye out for chart patterns such as triangles, head and shoulders, and double tops or bottoms, as they can offer valuable signals for potential market movements. Last but not least, let's talk about emotions and psychology. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, and it's essential to keep your emotions in check. Fear, greed, and impatience can lead to impulsive decisions and poor trading outcomes. Develop a disciplined mindset, stick to your strategies, and avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. It's crucial to set realistic expectations and not get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Remember, successful trading requires patience, rational thinking, and the ability to control your emotions. Before we wrap up, let's touch upon 2 more crucial aspects of cryptocurrency trading: risk assessment and continuous learning. Regularly reassess your portfolio's performance, identify potential risks, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Stay updated with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space, as new information can impact the market. Consider joining online communities and forums where you can engage with experienced traders and gain insights from their experiences. Treat trading as a learning process, and always be open to expanding your knowledge and refining your skills. Lastly, we can't emphasize enough the importance of security measures and best practices in cryptocurrency trading. Safeguarding your digital assets is paramount. Use hardware wallets or secure software wallets to store your cryptocurrencies. Enable 2-factor authentication on your accounts and be cautious of phishing attempts. Be wary of suspicious links or emails and verify the authenticity of any platform before sharing your personal information. By prioritizing security, you can minimize the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading. And that brings us to the end of our video on the 5 essential cryptocurrency trading strategies for beginners. We hope you found these tips valuable and insightful. Remember, success in cryptocurrency trading takes time, patience, and continuous learning. Always conduct your own research, seek professional advice if needed, and stay informed about the latest market trends. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and happy trading! The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency trading involves risks, and you should conduct your own research and consult with professionals before making any investment decisions. The views and opinions expressed in this video are solely those of the presenter and do not necessarily reflect the official policies or positions of any mentioned cryptocurrencies or platforms.